Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member safe at home. I also hope you are enjoying my online classes. If you have doubt in the previous chapter, okay, you can ask me. So already I have finished the first chapter, the magical seed, all the question answer. Okay. So today I am going to discuss your next chapter 2. Okay, before going to the chapter I have some question, so I will ask you, so be ready with your answer. Yes, okay, tell me, had your breakfast? All of you had your breakfast? Okay, so tell me what had your in breakfast. Okay, so some student told he had chapati, roti, or he said okay, he told me he had what idli, bora, sambar, yes, like this. And some student told me they had rice or some vegetables. Okay, so last question, tell me, where we get all this food? Where? So tell me, animal, where? Ground, market, where? Tell me, where we get this food from the plant? Yes or no? So today we are going to I am going to discuss the food story. Okay, so one story is there. The chapter name, it is a class what? Class 5. Okay, so chapter 2. Okay, the food story. Okay, the food story. Okay, yes or no? So the food story. Okay, so before going to this chapter, okay, so tell me the source of food. Okay, so especially we get our food where? Plant, another one animal. Yes or no? So plant and an animal. Okay, who are involved in the preparing the food? Human being. Yes or no? So we are involving to prepare the food. Okay, because so everyone need food. Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone is needing food. Okay, so write down. Okay, so with the help of farming, yes, with the help of farming, we get food. Okay, so write down. Farming is the largest industry in the world because it provides food. Okay, write down. Farming is the largest, okay, industry. Okay, so it is one type of industry. Okay, which produce, okay, what? Food. Yes or no? So all need food. Human being need food, animal need food. Yes or no? So how can we get food? So we can get food from the plant. Okay, so by how? By the help of a cultivation. Yes or no? Or agriculture, we can get our food. Okay, so directly we can get food? No. So what will happen? First farmer, they plant as so many things is there. Okay, they first plug in the field, then spread the seed. After that the plant grow, then they, what will happen? They use the fertilizer and pesticide. After that the crop will grow. Okay, then ripe. After that the farmer cut or harvest. Then what will happen? Transported with the help of a vehicle. Okay, so then okay, sell in the market. From the market we can purchase, and then we make rice. Yes or no? So so many things is there. Okay, so because we are suddenly we get go through the market and purchase 2 kg rice or 1 kg atta. okay, but you think, okay, so how the farmer they are working, how much their labor are doing to get the rice, okay, rice or wheat or whatever things, vegetables, okay. So food is important for both plant, animal, yes, human being, okay. So food is the largest industry because uh, in, you think about other industry, okay, so animal industries there, Bollywood industries there, but food industry all are depend upon the food industry. Why? Because it produces food, because all need food. Without food no one will be work in the other industry, yes or no? So that's why in your story is there, okay. So farming is the largest industry, okay, which produces food, okay. So yes or no? So if there was no food, okay, what will happen? No human being, okay. Write down. If there was, okay, there was no food, okay, no food, no no human being, okay, work in the other industry. Yes or no? Yes or no? So if there is no food, okay, if there was no food, no human being work in other industry, okay, no life, okay, no life, okay. So no life, okay. So what will happen if there was a no food, okay? So what will happen? Tell me. So without food we can live, okay. Without food we can live 1 day 2 day, yes or no? But maximum time we cannot live, okay. But why? Because food provide energy, yes or no? So why food is important? So write down the importance of food, okay. Okay, importance of food, okay. So importance, okay, right. First, food provide, okay, food provide what? Energy, yes or no? To work, yes or no? Okay. Second, food perform so many activity like what? Walking, okay. Without food you can walk, no. Walking, okay. Running, yes or no? So study, yes or no? So they are, so food perform so many activity like activity walking, running, study, okay. And vital rule, vital activity like digestion, okay. So without food, okay, digestion in your body will not happen. Excretion means removal of what? Waste. You are doing a 2 number, so without food it will not happen, okay. So these are the food perform this activity, okay. So circulation, okay, so many things is there, okay. So that's why in the food we can get all the nutrient, all the things, okay. So then come to the history of food, okay. How food come to history of food, okay. How food come to our earth surface, okay. So history of food, write down. History of food, okay. History of what? Food, yes or no? So what will happen? Okay, so for thousand of year, okay, so for the thousand of year, human being, okay, human being have been growing the agriculture or farm, okay. So why? Because they could not live with the help with the eating wildly animal and wildly fruits, okay. So what will happen, जो पुराना जमाने में क्या था, उस टाइम में आदमी जो क्या क्या खा रहा था, वो वाइल्डली वाइल्डली एनिमल खा रहा था और वाइल्डली फ्रूट्स खा रहा था। सो वो खा के जी नहीं सकता था, इसलिए दे स्टार्टेड देयर एग्रीकल्चर। यस, सो राइट डाउन। सो फॉर द थाउजेंड, ओके, थाउजेंड for thousand of a year, human being, okay, human have been, okay, have been growing, okay, crops, because, okay, they could not live with the wild animal and wild fruits, okay. So before what will happen, so wild fruits and wild animal, okay. So what will happen, for the thousand of year, human have been growing, okay, growing crops, because they could not live, okay, with the wild animal and wild fruits, okay. So before they are eating, okay, wild animal, they are hunting with the help of arrow, okay, and with the help of a stone. At that time there is no instrument, okay, no scissor, nothing, they are using stone, okay. They are using stone arrow and hunting the animals and eat in the jungle without the spices, because nowadays we are using add so many spices to make our food tasty. Yes or no? So what will happen, you think today our house food is not good, don't worry, we will order Zomato or Swiggy. Yes or no? You are saying like this, na? Okay, in that, think about that ancient period of, at that time there is no spices, okay. So people also, they don't know how to cook food, okay. So at that time they are directly eat the direct hunt the animal and eat, okay. So nowadays we are cooking, yes sir. At that time they don't know about the cooking, nothing, no spices or anything. So what will happen, when the human being, the mind will be developed, at that time they start the agriculture, okay. So then come to what is agriculture. Yes, write down agriculture, okay. So agri means, okay, agar means it is a what, agar means it is a field, okay. Then culture means cultivation, okay. So what will happen when the, okay, so when the human mind develop, okay, okay. So in the ancient period they are eating with the hunting of the animals and eating wildly fruits, okay, and sometimes they will die. Yes, they don't know this is good or bad. So what will happen, especially they develop, okay, develop their character, okay. So in ancient period all men are look like what, monkey or apes, okay. So what will happen, they change their modification character, all the things, see, and develop their mind, okay. So they start agriculture and grow so many fruits, animal fruits, okay. So what will happen, they start agriculture, okay. Agriculture, in agriculture, agor means field, it is a Latin word, okay. So agor is a Latin word, okay. Then culture means it is a cultivation, they start cultivation means farming, okay. So nowadays we are producing so many rice, wheat and some vegetables, yes or no. So this is the story of what, food, okay. So then come to process of agriculture. How agriculture is going. So do you know about the agriculture? Okay. So I am farmer's son. Okay. I know agriculture very clearly. Yes or no? So have you idea about the agriculture? Okay. Or do you practice in the agriculture? So many students they don't know what is agriculture or all the things because you are growing in the city area. Yes or no? But I am a farmer's son, so I know so many things. Okay, so agriculture, how do agriculture, all the things. Okay, so I have so many experience about this agriculture. So to write down process of agriculture. Process of agriculture. Yes or no? So how the agriculture is going? Okay. So what will happen? First, before going to the agriculture, first what will they do? So first, plough the field with the help of a enhanced cow. Nowadays they are using tractor. Yes or no? So or power tiller. Yes or no? So they are using nowadays. Okay. Yes or no? First, what will do? Plough the field. Yes or no? Then second what? Then spread the what? Compost and compost. Then seed. Yes or no? Spread seed. Yes or no? Then what will happen? Okay, spread the seed. Then what will happen after watering? The plant will be grown. Yes or no? Then plant will be grow. Yes or no? So after that what will happen? So in agriculture, first plough the field, then spread the seed. Okay. So what will happen when spread the seed? Okay. So or scattering the seed. Okay. So what will happen? The plant grew. The again they remove the weed. Weed means the which are not necessary. Okay. So many unnecessary grass they are growing in the agriculture. Yes. You observe your father they are removing the unwanted grass in the your field. Yes, so remove. Okay, remove weeds. Okay, weeds means unwanted grass. Then what will happen? They use what? Fertilizer and pesticide. Yes or no? So why? Because the to kill the what insect and bacteria. Yes or no? So apply insect, sorry, apply poison and fertilizer. Yes or no? So what will happen? Applying fertilizer and then what will happen? The plant, okay, the plant will be grow. Yes or no? You think about the wheat. Okay, what it will be grow. Yes or no? Then what will happen? The farmer, okay, it is harvest. Okay, harvest means they cut. Okay, cut the what? All the plant. Then to transport. Okay, transport by vehicle to sell. Okay, so what will happen? The farmer transported to the these grains. Okay, so the what will happen? First of plough the field, then spread the seed, then the plant will grow. Okay, will grow. Okay, then remove the weeds, which means unwanted grass. Then what will happen? Apply poison and fertilizer. Poison to kill the insect. Okay, and fertilizer the growth of the plant. Okay, then harvest means cutting of the plant or grains. Then all the rice or grain whatever you harvest, they will be sell in the market. Na? Yes or no? So it is in they will sell in the market. Yes or no? So this is the process of okay agriculture. Yes or no? So then come to supply chain. Okay, so then they sell in the market all the grains. How we can get this grain? They first sell the farmer na harvest all the things. They direct sell in the where? It is a grain mandi. Okay, grain mandi means it is a good down. Okay, called good down. Okay, so in that good down, no, they sell. So how can we get? So write down supply chain. Okay, so what is called a supply chain? Supply chain. Supply chain. Okay, supply chain. Okay, so how they are a supply? Okay, so what will happen? First farmer. Okay, so farmer. So why farmer first? Because farmer harvest the grain. Yes or no? Then okay, it is sell in the grain mandi. Yes or no? Grain mandi. So grain mandi means good down. Okay, after good down, okay, grain mandi. Okay, so grain mandi is a large area where so many grains, rice, so many different types. Okay, wheat, so many different types, vegetables, so many different you will be find out in that region. Okay, so what will happen in the grain mandi? Okay, then to take to grain merchant. Okay, so grain merchant. Okay, so what will happen from the farmer sell to grain mandi. Okay, so then grain mandi sell to the grain merchant. From grain merchant, okay, so it will be sell to wholesaler. Yes or no? Every market and every area wholesaler is there na, wholesaler. Okay, so all the grain merchant, okay, so wholesaler market purchase from the grain market, from the wholesaler. Okay, so it is a grocery shop. Okay, so it will come to the grocery shop. So what will happen? So grocery shop. Okay, so customer here, customer. Okay, so we are from the we are the, okay, we are the customer. Yes or no? You and you all think we are the customer. Okay, we are purchasing from the where? Grocery shop. So in that chain, the food material. Okay, whatever you think food material, they will be first of farmer to go to the grain mandi. Grain mandi means good down. Okay, so it is a good down. Okay, so good down. Then from good down to what we grain merchant is there, means some agent is there. They purchase. Okay, and to sell in the wholesaler. Then wholesaler from the grocery market. Okay, grocery shop. Okay, so it is purchased from the wholesaler, and we purchase from the, we buy. Okay, we buy from the where? Grocery shop. Okay, in that way the food chain, okay, it is moving from one place to another place. Yes or no? So this is the story about the food. Okay, so if you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I am always ready to answer. I am always ready to answer your question. So don't worry and have a nice day. Thank you. Like, subscribe. That's enough.